Okay, so in this video we're gonna see what's inside this old Electripak Power Strip. This is extremely old, very old. You can see how dirty it is. Press to reset. So we're gonna take it apart and see what's inside. Let's see if there's a year on here. Indoor use only. Mexico. Okay, well, alright, well, let's see what's in it. Is really stuck in there. This might not be the best angle for me to do this. There we go. It's a lot of screws comparatively to how many I thought would be here, but that's fine. I know I'd figured the ones in the corners, but let's see what the ones in the middle are for. Try to get these other ones out first before I strip the screwdriver. The screwdriver is already pretty stripped. Oh, that's not good. Wow. I've used this screwdriver on so many different things. I just don't think this angle is good. Okay, well, I changed the angle of the screwdriver and it decided to fall apart. So, there we go. Lid is off. Very interesting. Now, this hasn't been plugged into a wall in years. Huh. Ew. This isn't coming out. It's probably just... Alright. I'm not going to force it and knock the camera over because I feel like I'd have to pull hard enough to probably start knocking things around. Alright, and that's what's inside this power strip. Take this out too. You coming? You coming out? There we go. And there's the switch. Very interesting. Alright, there you have it. If you like the video, click the like button, leave a comment, subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching.